Still here at the DCA 10 by 10.
Indeed.
It's lovely to be joined by Ruth Miller from Lenovo. Thank you so much for your time. How did your speech go?
Seemed to go well. Everyone seemed to enjoy it. It was great to be able to feedback from when we'd had the workshop and to be able to give people the messaging from there, because not everybody had made it to the workshop. We had a fresh audience, but also it was really great to be able to provide them what we saw at the time, the feedback, and then maybe a steer on what we're seeing now within the industry, what that means for the past, what we're seeing in the present, and then hopefully what we'll see with the future.
That's awesome. Tell us a little bit more about your workshop for people who didn't know about it.
So the workshop was about the challenges that people face and about how they're planning for the future and the challenges that are preventing them actually make those changes. Everybody's seen a lot of pressures on with workload, not just AI, it's about other workloads that we're seeing within the industry that are changing the way people want to use IT. They want more remote working still, they want more video calls. We're all using Teams, we're constantly on video calls these days. Guess that has to be provided in a data center somewhere, right? And at the same time we're seeing the march on of AI and things like TikTok and all those other things that everyone just uses and they don't realise are funded by, at times, massive data centres.
Yeah, that's the bit that I picked up on in your presentations. We think it's just all AI. It's not. There's so much more to it. The presentations are going to start again in a minute. So, 2 quick questions. What do you see as the biggest challenge in the next 12 months?
I think it's getting supply chains together, to get people to collaborate, to design the right things and actually get the funding in place so we can get the investment and then we can really start driving for the UK to benefit from this interest, this appetite for customers to come back potentially within their own countries because of governmental pressures at times and changes within our geopolitical environment.
Awesome. Last question. What are you excited about for the next 12 months?
Well, the constant change. Because why not? It's one of those things around it. We've got to evolve as an industry. I think there's a huge flex point where we can begin to actually drive a much better solution, a much greener solution, I hope, as well at the same time, and actually, get that real benefit and understanding of what data centres mean out to the wider public.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure.
Go and enjoy the rest of the presentations. Cheers.
Goodbye.
Bye.